Dongguan City OLED Optoelectronics Technology Company Limited is headquartered in Songshan Lake, Ruiying International Innovation Park, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. Production base is located in Gaobu Town. Is a research, production, sales and service as one of professional LED lighting manufacturing of national torch key high-tech enterprises, adhering to quality, environmental protection, innovation, excellence as developing ideas, continuously improve our brand influence. LED lighting are developing very fast all over the world, such as United States are developing very fast all over the world, such as United States Solid-State Lighting Program, European Rainbow Plan, and Japanese 21st Century Lighting Program. Australia, Canada, European Union, and other countries and regions have banned using and selling incandescent lamps. 2012 National, the 12th Five-Year Plan, Energy Saving, Environmental Protection, and New Energy ranked first in the 7 strategic rising industries. LED industrial target size reached 500 billion yuan. CLED lighting has been insisting on the road of scientific development. In 2001, CLED lighting started LED research and development of packaging production. In 2005, developed outdoor lighting products. In 2006, the first generation LED street lights went into operation successfully. At present, CLED lighting has a full range of outdoor lighting products. CLED lighting focuses on scientific and technological innovation, and through production, study, and research cooperation, cooperated with the Chinese Academy of Sciences Institute of Semiconductors, Fudan University, Chengdu Electronic Technology University. Also, our company is the incubation base of Beijing Tsinghua Industrial Development Research Institute. Since its establishment, CLED lighting adhered to the spirit of casting a sword with 10 years, devoted to develop and produce LED lighting products. Since 2005, create a precedent for the domestic LED integrated light source packaging. At the core component of street lamp, LED light source is the key factor that affects the whole performance of the lamp. CLED lighting has integrated packaging technology and Polytechnic independent intellectual property rights, a million-level dust-free automatic packaging line. We control from raw materials to ensure the reliability of LED packaging devices. The current light source efficiency has reached more than 135 lumen per watt. The core of lamp design is light distribution system. CLED lighting uses two-structure technology, light distribution, successfully solved the high-power LED lamp light distribution problem. Developed for different road conditions, different height poles of light interception type, half-light and non-light interception reflector, which can achieve uniform illumination. The evenness degree on the road is better than 0.7, much higher than the 0.4 national standard. At the same time, ghosting phenomenon is eliminated. The road image is clear and the vision is comfortable. Lighting appearance is simple and fashion, uses modular structure design, easy to produce and maintain. Between the modules, the upper and lower convection cooling achieves fast speed cooling to ensure the light source lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Our product using wide voltage input scheme to avoid voltage fluctuation affect lamp's normal using. N+1 LED fault-tolerant technology using in the lighting system, eliminating the difficult problems of the traditional lighting surge voltage and injection lighting problem. The lighting system lighting protection level achieve 1+C grade and effectively avoid the power grid pollution and voltage instability of the heavy industrial area affect the lamps. Yes, new energy, solar wind and solar hybrid system using solar panels and wind turbine power generation to generate electricity. 12 voltage to 24 voltage low DC power supply system can independently use solar or wind power, can also generate electricity at the same time to make power supply system more stable, environmental protection, energy saving, safe and reliable. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a communication technology connects any object to the Internet and carries out information exchange. In order to realize intelligent identification, location, tracking, monitoring, and management, the concept of Internet of Things has been applied in many fields. CLED lighting is currently using the most advanced Zigbee wireless and power line carrier PLC control system to realize the remote control each signal lamp. The system detecting lamp fault line reduce manual maintenance cost, automatic control lamp dimming, reduce energy waste, improve economic and social benefits. Our system has been successfully applied in Dongguan, Wanjiang, Jiangmen, Xinhui, Tianjin, Binhai new era projects. After continuous efforts, our products formed outdoor high-power street light series, tunnel lights series, mining lights series, flood lights and explosion-proof lights series. We have a whole testing system. The product passed UL, ROSE, CE, SAA, CQC, Energy Saving, X-Proof, and many other certifications. We focus on middle and high-end market. Our high-power LED street lamp products have won high-tech products and independent innovation products in Guangdong Province. Our company get ISO 9001 and 41009 system certification, Good Standardization Behavior 4A certification, National City and Road Lighting Project 3 Construction Qualification certification, was named National Torch Program High-Tech Enterprise of Guangdong Province Strategic Emerging Industry Backbone Enterprise. At present, CLED lighting has more than 10 invention patents, more than 80 utility models patents. The patents has covered many areas such as LED integrated light source, heat dissipation system, light distribution system, and structure appearance. In the integrated light source intellectual property, we have formed a patents group strategy. CLED lighting has completed more than 70 countries and regions project cases and get users' praise. Our products have been applied in Beijing Forbidden City, Fudan University, Chinese Academy of Sciences, North China Oilfield Energy Saving Renovation Project, Tianjin Dachuzhuang Village and Jinhai County, South China City LED lighting construction and so on. In Southeast Asia, Europe, United States and other international markets, CLED lighting products are starting as a prairie fire, rapid spread,